Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. Today we're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold December 21st. As you can see on the screen, 25 orders, $185. This is on eBay. On Hit Postcard I sold 3 postcards for about 18 bucks. So daily total is 200 and maybe 3, something like that. Okay, first we have a automobile dealership advertising for a 1939 Plymouth two-door sedan. So I love these old automobile advertising. Again, if this had the dealer's name on the back, this would probably be a $20+ postcard, but instead I got $7. Next, comic Old Maid's Honeymoon Lemon Balloon, circa 1910s. Original dealer $10. I got $7 on a best offer. Have pennies into this. Bought this from the dealer's estate in April of 19. Next is Cape Cod, Massachusetts. This is the U.S. wireless station, Highland Light North Truro. Does not even sound like a word. Anyway, you got the pleasure of listening to me try to pronounce it. So anyway, $5 for that card. This is an automobile ad, 1964 AMC Rambler exploded parts. I couldn't decide if this was a 3D image or if it was just a misprint, and I'm still not sure. Has the 3D look to it. But anyway, $5 for that card on a best offer. This is Honesdale, PA. This is Main Street, Woolworths, 5 and dime store, 1940s. So work in the keywords you see in the background. And $5 on a best offer for that card. Mount Lebanon, Pennsylvania. This is probably the United Protestant. I'm not 100% sure. UP Church, real photo, 1930s. It sold for $11.99 on a best offer. This is the 150th anniversary of the founding of Philadelphia, and I guess they had an international expo for it. Just of this house in Philadelphia, and $4.99 for that card. This is Maryland. This is the view looking north from the top of Polish Mountain, and it is still named Polish Mountain. Got this for probably 15 cents from the one dealer who passed away, and the antique mall was liquidating his stuff. $10.99 for that card. Next, Mount Gretna, Pennsylvania. Girls Dormitory Camp Mount Gretna. I'm not sure if this is Girl Scouts. Does not say. So some type of girls camp. There's that. Have a couple of them. This one sold for $6.99. Next, I think the next two cards. No, one buyer bought 2 Ocean City, Maryland cards. This is Wedgewood, and looks like I misspelled Wedgewood with 2 W's, 3 W's actually. Apartments. This is Oceanfront, circa 1960s. There's that, and the back almost looks like it was home printed. I have actually seen this card as a blank back postcard, so someone finally stamped on the word postcard. Anyway, $9.74 for that card. Coffeyville, Kansas, First Federal Savings and Loan Bank at Christmas time. This has been up for quite a while. I can tell by the blue background, taken with a camera. So this is 6 to 7 plus years old, $5.99. Ocean City, Maryland, Seascape Motel, Oceanfront, 16th Street. This is the other Ocean City, Maryland card that went with the other one. Always buy Ocean City, Maryland. It's one of those Maryland beach towns that does very well. $8. Martinsburg, West Virginia, Hotel Berkeley, circa 1910s. There's that. $7.99. Next, Easton, Pennsylvania, Carl Don Hotel. Buyer bought 3 of these cards. So there's this one for $5.99. Oh, I'm sorry, this one to the same buyer, but it's of the City Hall in Easton. $4.99. And here's the other Carlton Hotel in Easton, and that one for $4.99 also. Anglesey, New Jersey, U.S. Life-Saving Station, circa 1910s. It has some dark, I don't know if this is soot or just dirt, but it's very dark, dirty card. Still sold for $14.99. This is Steamship SS Vermont in Westport Bay, New York, circa 1907. Steamships, paddle wheel boats, stuff like that, they always do very well. $15.99. This came from the ship postcard lot I bought, paid up for it, and the average cost was 70 cents. I still have a box of ship postcards over there that I wrote the cost average on the front. Next, Walt Disney World Cinderella Castle Fantasyland Vintage. So probably from the late 70s, early 80s. And it sold for $4.99. Pretty White Cat Kitten, Miss Prim, artist signed Kenyon. You can see his signature right there. His stuff does not sell very well. So if you come across the artist signed kitty cat postcard and you're thinking, oh wow, artist signed Kenyon, for some reason just does not sell very well. This has been up for a while and it brought in $5.99. Morris Katz, he's a Jewish artist. Whole bunch of Morris Katz postcards out there. Probably more famous for Judaica scenes. Also he did a whole series of the presidents. So keep an eye out for Morris Katz. This sold for $6.99. I think I got it from for a dime from one of my old postcard sources. U.S. Navy submarines awaiting orders, circa 1910s. No idea where exactly this was taken, but $9.99 for that card. This is Reading, Pennsylvania, Mansion House, 1909. Very old card. I've had this up for probably, again, eight plus years. Buyer bought this one for $6.99 and then also bought this Reading Hotel Berkshire card for $4.99. Also has been up for quite a while. Last one on eBay. They've not paid yet. Ocracoke Island, North Carolina, circa 1960s aerial view of the campgrounds. There's that. Probably doesn't look like that anymore. Probably $1 million homes all along there. $14.99 for that one. And over on HIP, I sold 3 Christmas cards all to the same buyer. There's that one. I'm not sure if that one said John Winch or not, but here's a German Merry Christmas. And that one was $9.99. First one was $4.99, and this one was $3.99. It's a John Winch Merry Christmas Holly Book Poem Seasons Greetings. So nice. You can see down here John Winch. It's a really nice looking card. Let me see. Old dealer was trying to get $1 for it. I got $3.99. So that's it. Those are great sales for the day. A little over $200 a day. I'll take that day in, day out. It's all from little pieces of paper. Keep watching the videos. Let me know if there's any other content you'd like me to create. I'm trying to recreate a couple hundred videos that are lost and gone forever. So if there was a series you liked from when I used to do the videos, let me know. It'll take a while to build back up to the videos I had, but I'll do my best to put that content out there. In the meantime, go to a postcard show. There's some coming up. And also check out the other postcard dealers in the links below. As always, thank you for watching.